Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to Mommy Trader, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys being here. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, follow me over on Instagram, and let's get into the video. So today's video, we're going to be talking about our passive income for the month of August. And I'm also going to just give you guys a refresher on what passive income is, especially if it's something that you are really considering exploring for your future financial self, or just currently, because I know some of you guys are trying to do your side hustles and you're trying to start your own businesses so that you can create another source of passive income. And I'm telling you guys, passive income is the best type of income. Basically, in a nutshell, passive income is money or income that's earned with little to no effort. I like to think of it more as you do the work one time and it just continues to pay you, month over month, or just residually. A great example of that would be YouTube. A lot of times people will post a video that may go viral, and that video will pay them a year down the line, a couple months down the line, sometimes several years down the line, that some YouTubers are still getting paid from one video that they put out. And that is what I would consider passive income. You do the work once and really there's no other input that's needed from you. I also view real estate as passive income. Yes, you may have some problems here and there, but for the most part, for us anyway, in terms of our experience, it's really just passive income. And so I wanted to just put that out there for you guys. There's so many other types of passive income resources that you could use. I said side hustle that you could turn into a passive income. A lot of you guys are interested in selling like trackers and spreadsheets and different things like that, where you just make it one time and you upload it and people can continue to buy it without really no more work from you. Now, making like cash envelopes, you have to actually physically actively do that. So I'm not sure I would consider that passive per se, but like digital products is a great passive, getting royalties from books, having courses, just different things like that. Because again, you do the work once and you really don't have to do much to it. You may have to update the digital product or spreadsheet, but really doing that is so few and far between versus actually making a product. And I also like to view passive income as requiring no more than 15% of my time in a given month. And I know I mentioned that before in a passive income video that I did. This was like before I even showed my face on YouTube, but I will link it up here because I do talk about some really good percentages in terms of hours and how many hours would we consider something to be passive versus active income. And so I think you guys would really like that video. I'll leave it up there if you want to go take a look at it. But like I mentioned, just little to no work from us. One of our best and most favorite passive income sources, and my husband will vouch for this, is real estate. I cannot tell you guys how much we love having real estate as a passive income source. You put money down up front. You put a whole lot of money down up front, but the dividends and the residuals that it will pay you month over month is just like no other. Now, yeah, there's some things could happen. Tenants cannot pay, but for the most part, we really don't have too many problems, and it's just another check or two checks that we can expect each month without too much of an effort. And so, and on the flip side of that, your real estate is going up in value, and so someone is paying you your mortgage down and giving you a little bit of extra on the side. The value of the property is going up. It's increasing your net worth and getting us to our goals of financial independence. So yes, guys, quick question. Do you guys track your passive income sources? Do you have any ideas of things that you can start to create passive income? I'm a believer that you can turn side hustles into passive income. A lot of people have done it. A lot of you are interested in starting YouTube channels or have started YouTube channels, and that's one of your like long-term goals, is to make your YouTube channel a source of passive income. Now, I did mention in my community post today that I was going to talk to you guys about two new passive income sources that we are going to start tracking starting September or October. It depends. And so I'm going to have that in a spreadsheet, and I'm going to take you guys into the spreadsheet so you can see us. Hey guys, so we are in the spreadsheet. We're going to go over our passive income for the month of August. So we have our first rental, we get $1,645. That's just standard normal. We also get $1,800 even for our second rental property. Again, the tenants are pay usually on time. The first rental, the tenant usually, if not most of the time, pays us late in the middle of the month, but he does pay on a regular basis. He just is a late payer. And then the tenant in the second rental, which is our newer rental, have been paying like before the first of the month. So we really have no complaints in that department. Next is our dividends. Now I only track 3 dividends. I mentioned this before. I track dividends in Robinhood, specifically Robinhood, Interactive Brokers, which is a growth stocks portfolio, and Webull, which is our SPAC starter company type of stocks. And so for the month of August, we received $64.25. Moving on to interest, which is pretty much from our emergency fund, is $8.45. Again, interest is just not paying a whole lot. I mean, a gain is a gain, money is money, but on $30,000+, getting $8.45 in interest versus Robinhood. I'll show you guys this. And I'm going to pause the spreadsheet. I'm going to bring up our Robinhood account. I'm going to show you guys that in September alone, we have over $60 pending in dividends. Pending on a $16,000+ Robinhood account. So again, guys, $60 on a $16,000 account versus just getting $8.45 on a $30,000+ account. That is what investing will do. Now, again, get your sinking funds, get your emergency fund and a high yield savings. And then after that, start to invest because the returns is just so much better. And then you got compound interest. On top of that, that money that's pending in Robinhood for our dividends is just going to get reinvested back into the stock, which is going to grow our share size. That's compound interest working for you. We don't have any quarterly dividends at the moment. Next is Rakuten, which is $11.83. We did go on vacation in August, and I tried to use Rakuten or Swagbucks or something of the like to try to get more rewards or points or cash back on our purchases. I didn't do Swagbucks. Honestly, I forgot. I think I'm just getting a little disinterested in Swagbucks now. It's just more loopholes for me to jump through. And honestly, my time right now is just really kind of a little tight. And Swagbucks is just not really doing it. So I may actually, if I don't get any type of income from Swagbucks in September, I'm going to just delete it from the line item and just put it under other if we do get something. Next is free cryptocurrency. I talked about this in my previous crypto update, which I will link up in the eye in the sky. Basically, Coinbase, which is who I use for crypto buying and tracking and whatnot. I don't keep my crypto on Coinbase, guys. Remember, if it is not your wallet, it is not your coins. You have to get an external hardware wallet. I suggest Nano as a source to go to. I'll leave a link to them in the description box, but that's who our wallet is with. Nonetheless, Coinbase will sometimes ask you to take quizzes, and if you answer the questions correctly to the quizzes, they will give you free crypto. And so that was $12 we earned for the month of August. Cashback, which was a great month, $125. Again, vacation time, so I was just using the card and we got cash back. So again, I can't complain. And yes, we did pay the card off. You don't want to be carrying, your debt and balances over month, especially if you have a higher interest rate. We don't, but again, I don't want to, carry it if I don't need to. Again, good financial habits is key here. So when you add all of that up, guys, it equals $3,666.53, which is great because we wanted to stay around the $3,500 mark for our passive income in the short term. So again, we can't complain. Now, you'll notice that there are 2 new line items here. We have YouTube. So number one, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much because I would not have been able to put this line item here if it was not for all of you coming and interacting with me, subscribing, sharing with your friends, people you know. Just guys, thank you so much for just all the love and the support with the channel, and thank you for getting me to this point where I can hopefully start to now receive income from YouTube. Thank you for the watch hours. Thank you for the subscribers. Again, guys, I really do appreciate all of you guys. And then next is MT Brand. So yes, Mommy Trader is going forward full steam. The business does officially launch September 15th. Yes, I will have a special video coming out that day talking all about the different things that I'm going to offer. I really am thinking you guys are going to love some of this stuff. It's pretty much taking Mommy Trader, the YouTube channel, and like blowing it up into something that can be accessible to a lot of people at one given time, if that makes sense. But like I said, I'll talk about that more in that video, so stay tuned for that. So yes, guys, that is our passive income for the month of August. Our totals for the year so far, which is always nice to see, like how much in terms of totals are you bringing in for your passive income. Now, keep this in mind, guys. You want to make sure that any passive income sources that you are bringing in, you are set up correctly in terms of tax. You want to talk to a tax person. You want to talk to a financial professional, somebody who knows your tax situation in detail to be able to guide you in terms of how to set up your side hustles or the different things you are working on, because you want to make sure that you are set up correctly, number one, and number two, that you are able to utilize any deductions or loopholes, write-offs, just different things that are available to business owners, because remember, the government loves businesses. There's a reason why you have your Jay-Z's and your Beyoncé's and different ones always starting companies. Rihanna, for example, always starting a business, setting it up right, creating passive income, because it will sustain you. I mean, when was the last time Rihanna came out with an album? But she got beauty lines and all these other passive income sources that she create one time, maybe check in with, maybe do an ad, a commercial, and it just pays month over month over month. So to see that for the year so far, we've received $24,152.54 in just passive income. That does not count YouTube or selling products or anything, just other passive income sources. This is what I'm always talking about. Sorry, guys, that's my phone. But yes, so we're really excited to see this. I'm really hoping that you guys were inspired by this. I have the chart down here. I love having my visuals. You guys know that. And again, we see that June was a big month, but that was because we got like security deposit and last month's rent and things like that. But you can see July and August kind of leveling out a little bit in terms of what we were kind of expecting and trying to aim for, $3,500 a month. And then, of course, with now the YouTube and the MT brand kind of getting off the ground, we may see, I don't know, 4,000, 5,000, I don't know, but stay tuned. You guys will be able to track this along with me. Of course, I will have giveaways because I do believe in giving back. I do believe in bringing people to the table because, you know, I'm all about that. Each one teach one on this channel. So again, guys, leave me a comment down below. Do you track your own passive income? Are you interested in learning more about passive income? If so, let me know and I can make more videos about it, or I can make more videos about specific types of passive income. So maybe more videos on real estate, more videos on dividends, more videos on how to get cash back at different places, more cash saving apps, just different things like that. Let me know in the description box and I'll be more than happy to oblige. Thank you guys so much for being here, for your comments. Again, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Hit that little bell notification button so that you don't miss an upload every time I post a video. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.